Chia pudding is a versatile and healthy dish made by soaking chia seeds in a liquid, usually milk or a milk substitute, until they form a gel-like consistency. This process typically takes a few hours to overnight. The result is a creamy, nutrient-dense pudding that can be enjoyed as a breakfast, snack, or dessert. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk, 1-2 teaspoons sweetener, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: mix ingredients in a bowl or jar. Combine chia seeds, milk, sweetener, and vanilla extract if using. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. Let it sit, cover the mixture, and let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or overnight. Stir the mixture after the first 30 minutes to prevent clumping. Check consistency. After soaking, the mixture should have a thick, pudding-like consistency. If it's too runny, you can add a bit more chia seeds and let it sit for another 30 minutes. Serve. Give it a final stir before serving. You can top the pudding with fresh fruits, nuts, granola, or any other toppings of your